What if the internet was never meant to be owned, but shared? What if money, art, identity, and power could exist without middlemen? Welcome to the world of Web3, where technology is rewriting the rules of trust, freedom, and ownership. In a world fragmented by central control, something new emerges. A system that doesn't ask for trust, it proves it. This is the era of Web3. Behind every block, every transaction is a builder writing the code of tomorrow. Blockchain developers, weaving logic into ledgers, are the silent architects of decentralized economies. But code alone isn't enough. Security is the backbone. Smart contract auditors scrutinize every function, every line, making sure what's deployed is unbreakable. Web3 isn't just about finance, it's culture. NFT artists mint the soul of the internet. Each creation, a time-stamped expression, unique, immutable, yours. Then come the money architects. DeFi analysts unlock the math of yield, liquidity, and risk, while DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, vote, build, and scale without borders or CEOs. And when the product is ready, the message matters. Crypto marketers craft movements, not campaigns. They spark revolutions in Discord, Twitter, and the metaverse. This is more than technology. This is a reimagining of the internet, open, fair, and owned by its users. Web3 isn't just code. It's a call to a freer future. And the future is now. The world is changing, and it's not waiting. From coders to creators, traders to thinkers, Web3 is powered by people like you. So ask yourself, are you watching the future happen, or are you building it? Don't just scroll. Explore. Build. Own. Welcome to Web3.